Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Facts About Birds Part 3. Today's topic is birds, ducks and pigeons. So let's start with flamingos. The flamingo is a beautiful pink wading bird. There are actually 6 different species of flamingo. They are approximately 3 to 5 feet tall and weigh around 4 to 6 pounds. Flamingos' feathers are usually pinkish red. They have pink legs and pink-white bills with a black tip. The males are generally slightly larger than the females. Flamingos live in a habitat of low water, such as lagoons or mudflats or lakes. They eat insects and crustaceans like shrimp. They are very social and lives in large groups. They get their pink coloring from the pigment in their food, keratinid. Parent flamingos take care of their kids for up to 6 years. They make a honking sound like goose. The next bird I'm going to tell you about is called a duck. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds, living in both fresh water and sea water, and found on every continent except for Antarctica. A male duck is called a drake, a female duck a hen, and a baby duck is called a duckling. Ducks are omnivores. They feed on aquatic plants, small fish, insects, worms, grubs, and more. The most common and recognized species of duck is the moorland or wild duck. The male moorland duck has a green glossy head, gray wings, and a belly, while the female is a brown speckled plumage. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers due to the feather interlocking nature and waxy coating. Diving ducks and sea ducks search for food fairly deep underwater. Dabbling ducks feed on the surface of water on land or by ducking their head underwater. Ducks are curious and friendly creatures. The next bird I'm going to tell you is called a pigeon. The pigeon are highly social animals. They will be seen in flocks of 15 to 20 birds. Pigeons have excellent hearing abilities. Pigeons are omnivore. They are generally 28 to 40 centimeters in length. Pigeons build nests around farms, water houses, mills, and grain storage. They also inhabit in parks, buildings, and bridges in cities. Parents take care of their baby. Baby pigeons are called squeakies or squabs. The white domestic pigeon is also called the dove of peace. They eat seeds, fruits, nuts, and leaves. Both parents produce milk from a gland in their throat. The parents feed their young a liquid called milk. The parents take care of their young ones for a long time. And that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching this again. Bye.